Yeah. So, what is Infra and You? So, first of all, my name is Tejinder Pal Singh, and I work as a senior software engineer in one of the MNC, and I have 5+ years of experience. And why I'm creating this series, Infra and You. So, when I joined as an SD1, as an intern as well, I didn't know much about infra, and I had difficult time to think about it, to debug it, and people generally neglect the infra or system design, particularly at that time, and they try to just write the code, and they don't try to see the full picture, and which I think is lacking, and that's why I created Infra and You. So it is basically a series in which I'll be uh, giving some real life scenarios, and we'll be building some startups, and how the startup will scale, and how you need to think about debugging things, and how you need to approach it in a right way. So when you don't have monitoring, how would you approach it? So yeah, so it will be a series, and we'll start with the basics, how things evolve, and yeah,